guys so much for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Okay, I kind of got my baby distracted just a little bit. He doesn't like seeing me or my husband on video. Anyway, today's video is kind of like an evening, not routine, but just like my evening chores that so anyway, I have a recipe to share. I'm just going to take you guys along as I cook dinner. We're having chicken pot pie. I have not attempted like a homemade pie crust yet. I'm kind of nervous to, and the pie crust I buy is not great. So hopefully you can do better than me, but the like filling of the pie is so good. I'm super excited to have it. Anyway, what else do I need to do? We're going to clean, what else? Some laundry, and I think that's it. Anyway, let's get into the video. My husband is on his way home, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner. Okay, so you are going to chop up a whole onion and then saute it with a whole stick of butter. I know you saw me cut some of that butter off, but I eventually put it back in just because it needed more. So you'll saute the whole onion in a stick of butter with a bag of frozen peas and carrots. You're going to saute them until the onions are tender and mostly translucent. It also doesn't matter if the peas and carrots are frozen or not. But anyway, this will take about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you're going to add a half a cup of flour and mix it until it's smooth. That's what the recipe says. It won't be fully smooth. It'll be like a little bit chunky. After that, it takes 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock and then, 2 cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of milk. I only had half a cup of milk and half a cup of cream, so I mixed it and it still worked. You're going to mix all of those ingredients together until it thickens. I use chicken tenders instead of a rotisserie chicken, like shredding a rotisserie chicken for the filling. So while my pie filling is thickening, I will go ahead and start boiling my chicken tenders. All I do is boil it for 7 to 10 minutes maybe, and then I shred it, and I'll show you how I shred it in just a second. So now I'm adding the seasonings to my filling. I add 2 tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of pepper, and some garlic powder. I always shred my chicken with a KitchenAid mixer, and it is by far the best and most effective way. Okay, again, these are not homemade pie crusts. I hope to eventually get to that point. But all I'm doing is putting the pie crust in, and then the filling was just done. The recipe calls for it to cool. I don't know a difference, or I don't notice a difference if it cools or doesn't cool first. So I just go ahead and put it in the pie crust because I have a hungry family and everybody was ready to eat. So I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to put the topping, the top crust on, and then I will bake it in the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes, but go, if you buy a crust or if you make a crust, go with whatever your instructions say, because the chicken is already cooked, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now moving on to cleaning. This was a long cleaning night. Even though it felt like dinner was super simple, we still somehow had so much mess to clean up. Like, look, there's a banana on the floor. And I did this all myself because I let the girls go ahead and do whatever it was they wanted to do in the evening. Usually they help me with chores, but this took me a solid 2 hours, and I was kind of nauseous while cleaning, so that definitely contributed to it. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get into the cleaning. I'm not going to talk anymore just because there's no need to. You guys know what I'm doing. right, you guys, we're coming to the end of this video here. Watching these videos makes me so excited to like get everything done in our house that we want to get done, like paint that back wall, add rugs, just add so many cozy things. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please like it so YouTube and I know that this is the kind of stuff that you like to see. And if you feel like any of my future videos could serve you in some way, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.